They're a rolling pin that I was given by one of my friends. His late father had it, and he was Ron Gardner, who used to make Gardner Racing carburettors. And this is given to him at one point. So it's Peggy Special Award, Lightweight and Junior TT, 1954. It was presented by the Dunlop boys. Must have been Joey when he was younger. There's lots and lots of people on here, riders' names. All over it from the 1950s. I don't know how many of these go around in the world, but no, there can't be many. I hope someone can find me some more information about it. I get in touch with the Dunlop family, see what they have to say. But there's Duke Dale on there, I think. Italian Machine. Half his names I don't know because I'm modern TC. Yeah, it's got to almost be a one-off thing, you know. There can't be many of these things around. Anyway, back in the box it goes.